Hey guys, welcome to our channel again, and today I'm back with another tutorial videos with you. So today we will be learning how to create your new eBay account on your desktop. So first of all, simply go and open your web browser on your desktop that you are comfortable with, and then type ebay.com. So as you see on the screen, you'll be loaded with this page. And to create your new account, on your top left corner on your screen you will see hi, sign in or register, daily deals, help and contact. So what we need to do is just click on register. So in this way you will be again loaded into the next page as you see on the screen. So here you will see two options, business account and your personal account. So if you are running any business or you have any company, you should create a business account, but for now we are creating a personal account. So let's just go with the personal account, and below you will see some empty box with first name, last name, your email and password. So fill up the box with your name and your last name and your email, and create a password with at least one letter, a number or a symbol, or at least 8 characters. So with that in your mind, create a password. After you're done with that, you can simply go and click on create account option, but on your screen on your right side you can also continue with your Google account or your Facebook account, and also with your Apple account. Now click on create account option. Now again you will be asked to verify yourself, so complete a captcha and click on I am human option and complete the process. So guys, we are done with creating our new eBay account. If you want your password to be saved on your device, go ahead and click on I got it, but for now just let me go and click on never. So on your screen you will see the web page of eBay where you will be loaded with multiple product, and if you want, and you can view different categories on your screen. On your top section you will see your categories that you want to buy, and you can also search for any product right here. So if this video helped you, or if you like this video, please subscribe our channel, like the video and hit the bell icon and be updated with more tutorial videos. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you on next video.